Yes, yes, yes. Extreme TV with your host, the Toy Ranter, with another toy review. What is it? You'll just have to find out. And yes, if you're under the age of 14, you should not be watching this video. This is for extreme adult collectors and toy reviews only. Hello, folks. Today we'll be collecting and connecting the pieces to build Beast Boy for the McFarlane DC Multiverse Beast Boy right on the channel. Thank you. Getting this line was quite enjoyable. Were they hard to find? Not really, because at first I was going to get in my GameStop, but then my toy agent came through and I got these on discount. So, all right, what do we have here? We have Team Leader, the Titans. We have Nightwing. This figure is okay. It's on the Superboy from forgot the name, from John Kent comic books, I think. The new Superboy, not the other one. The one from Reign of the Superman, not that one. But the body mold looks kind of the same. Look like they got straps in it, but it's a nice figure. Then we have Arsenal. Comes with the legs. Nightwing comes with the body. These are nice figures. McFarlane, he's basically making figures from the new 52 comic books. So I looked it up, Googled it, and the designs are more than accurate. Then we have Donna Troy. Comes with the arms. A lot of people want what's on the back, on the cell selections. Like, a lot of people want, and Tommy Farm will probably do it, bring out Raven, but go label like in the card. And this is Raven. She comes with the hands and head. So let's get started and take these pieces out, lay them on the extreme table, and let's get this Beast Boy party started, ladies and gentlemen. Like I always say, McFarlane, he's not, well, not him in particular, but his toys aren't perfect. But hey, the price point, he's kicking Hasbro's ass, like I always say in my toy hunts, and he is. A lot of people on the channel that comment say that, oh yeah, he's bringing out a lot of figures, but because they're using low quality plastic. Hey, for $20, $19.99. I mean, look at the figures. Look at the page punches. The texture, you can't beat it. The price, you can't beat it. I mean, nothing man-made is perfect. Assholes. So, I don't expect these figures to be up to par, but they are acceptable, and they're better than the Universal DC Universe Classics. And I can't wait for him to bring out Atomic Skull. Hey, McFarlane, buddy, we need a Brainiac figure, okay? We need a Metallo, all right? We need the extremists. Like I always say, we need the extremists, man. Come on. Remember Superman vs. the Elite? Can we have a Manchester Black figure? Come on. Come on. But I digress. So let's get the parts out. Let's connect and connect. DC McFarlane's Beast Boy. All right. So we have the pieces out of the package, and we're going to connect in our Beast Boy. Getting these figures, I have to say, I didn't get them all at once. I got a one by one. There's a little light splash on here on the body. I don't know why. Really strange. But let's begin. And like I said, with all collect and connect pieces, you have to be careful what you're doing. So you don't want to press too hard and break this post. It's kind of long, but it has to be so it can fit on the head. You're just gentle. No breakage, because okay. QVs. McFarlane has QC issues. It breaks. Everything man-made will break. Just got to be easy with stuff. But yeah, I can see how this stuff gets easy break. Too much pressure. The arm is tight. I like them tight. Damn. Huh. Oh my God, here we go. Is this the right way? Wow. QVC issues. It's okay. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's like that, brother. There we go. Easy peasy. Where is my broccoli? So, you want to see something scary, boys and girls? Talk about QC issues, huh, bitch? Ay. Beast butt. Talk about pamper. Let me see if I did it right. Nope. Scared the shit out of me when I put it on. Look at that. Comes off and you put it back on. Talk about QVC issues in my ass. But it happens, huh? It happens, gang. We get in depth on this channel. Want to make sure that there we go. Fits like a glove. Not gonna take it off anymore. All right. Now for the legs. You'll put this piece, the butt cheek, in first, and then the peg in the leg. Guard. He's bringing back the toe articulation. Very good. He's tall for a Beast Boy. Usually, Beast Boy is the shortest member of the Titans. But not in this one. Not in fully beast mode. Am I looking for the other Beast Boy? Walmart exclusive? If I see him, maybe. Maybe because I like the Teen Titans. Nice. Like I said, I want them to make a Mega Fig Mammoth. I want Dr. Light. He needs to meet more villains. Come on. Batman sells. Yeah, I'm tired of Batman right now. That Two-Face as Batman, I'm not getting. All them Jokerized Bat motherfuckers, I'm not getting. It's a waste of time for me. If y'all want to get them, be my guest. All right, and then we have Beast Boy's claw hand. Where is my broccoli? Where's my tofu? My broccoli sandwich. Key this in. Ow. Gotta watch out when you're putting this in. You gotta watch out for these claws. These claws will. Damn. Hard. This is the hardest part of connecting this stuff. Come on, get in there. Come on. How did that pop? Oh my God. Oh. This is hard plastic. This is good though. You don't worry about it. Yeah. Just claw hand. Yeah. One more to go. And that's easier than the other one. Pop. There we go. And there we have it, gang. A fully connected and ready to pounce on evil Garfield. Garfield Logan himself, aka Beast Boy. Straight out of Doom Patrol, right into the Teen Titans. Oh yeah, McFarlane, make Doom Patrol, please. I would like a mental figure. And hey, it was made before. Make the brain in Megafig Monsieur Mala, General Immortus, and Madame Rouge. Come on. Articulation. I like the suit. I like the texture. I have to say, the colors are nice. He's just big, beefy. Wow. He's no scrawny little beast boy anymore. Beast boy. Oh boy. That's as far as his legs go up. That far. Yeah, he's kind of stiff. Yeah, because he's big. Look at that. That's as far as the articulation is not that. You can see the pins, but it's okay. But it's a big, beefy figure. It's way, I mean, I like that McFarlane tries to make his figures different than Hasbro's. I like the shoulders things are okay, but they have a little gap in it. Yeah, I see little. Yeah, the paint work is kind of. Yeah, you can see the texture difference in the pants and in the shirt. Some shiny parts. This is dull, but it's okay. It's not. I'm not an anal like that. Small rant. Rant for the right reasons. Don't rant for bullshit. Right, Beast Boy? Mike R? Because there's a lot more going on than this ranting for no reason. And my channel is pretty much positive, but I can go negative, but it's all in fun and it's all for us. Because we are spending the money on these figures. We need quality. We need things. We need figures on the pegs. We need our figures. And the high prices is just going to retard us from buying from you. So, with that being said, Headless Horseman, my ass. Damn. Okay, Beastie. That's the only thing about collect and connect. Parts are easy to come off. I like Megafigs better, but the suit, I give this figure all in all a B plus. Articulation needs to be better. Parts don't, after they're connected, they don't need to come out anymore. That's one thing about Hasbro. Once you collect and connect the pieces, they ain't coming out. They ain't coming out unless you get a figure with the same leg as the other part. Go check it out, my Hasbro. My depressing but much needed and much wanted for years controller connect review. And with that being said, I want to thank you for joining me for this Beast Boy Collect and Connect. And like I said, these figures are good. If you can get them cheap, get them cheap. Don't pay scalper prices. If you have a GameStop membership and you can get $5 off, get them $5 off, because paying full price for these when you can do better, that's my suggestion to you. But yeah, Donna Troy, Arsenal, you know the articulation. So Raven and Nightwing. What I'm getting, I can't wait to get that steel. I can't wait to get, I'm not getting that Dread Lantern crap. I'm not interested. Just give me Atomic Skull, Steel, Cyborg Superman, and Batwing. They're coming out with Batwing from the Bat family, so getting that. One of the gripes I have is, McFarlane needs to do more classic figures. I mean, I know 52, you're taking it to a new direction, and it's working, but hey, going back to classics doesn't hurt. Dread Lantern, not interested. So a Sinestro would be nice. An Evil Star would be nice. Even a Kenjar Rowe figure would be nice. Come on, give it to us. We deserve it, McFarlane. Come on. We believe in you. Don't let us down. And with that being said, this has been an extreme production. And we're going to have, from Spin Master, on the next one, a special in-depth look at the Batwing Extreme Style. So, with that being said, this has been an extreme production with your host, Toy Ranter. Remember, be extreme, but be courteous. And be nice to this Target employees if they're helping you and if they're not giving you a lip. And to those scalpers, you can suck my poop. Ain't that right, Raven? And Nightwing. And all the Titans. And your special guest, Beast Boy. Remember, McFarlane, carry on. Carry on, my man. But give us more villains, damn it. Or I'm going to create an upheaval you've never ever seen before. Keep kicking Hasbro ass. And I'll bid you adieu. Stay extreme, rant on, bitches. Rant on.